Hello everyone, my name is Heather and I'm the person behind Happy Puppy Truffles. Today I wanted to share with you guys the special collaboration they have in Japan between Baskin Robbins and Animal Crossing. And I was going to show you guys today what they had available on the game. If you wanted to get in there and lay down in your bed and choose that you want to sleep, not slumber, then you can visit a dream address. And online they had the code for the dream address that you could type in here so that you could visit the Baskin Robbins specialty island, the Dream Island. And it's called 31 because we call it 31 in Japan. But once you put the code in, then you get to go to this cute little island. And they did such a good job of just making it seem so bright and beautiful and follow the color palette that you see from the ice cream always. And they did really go to a lot of effort to put little icons on the beach and stuff, the BR from Baskin Robbins, and then occasionally putting some items down that look like ice cream cones. And they just went to a lot of great lengths to have lots of different really cute items included in the game. And I've been to, like, the only other one of these that I went to was for the Mario, and I didn't think it was that impressive. Look at this place, this park, it's beautiful with all of the different kinds of pieces kind of built into it. I just think they did such a fun job. This place, you kind of walk along and there's all the different flavors of ice cream. And then you get over here and you can walk along different parts of the forest, and they have this cute little road that has the 31 on it and some manholes along the way too. And then they have a couple places that look like the storefronts of the Baskin Robbins, which I thought was cute. Of course, those aren't actual buildings you can go into, but they just have that as a cute thing, and lots of places where you can enjoy ice cream outside. They certainly went to a lot of effort to kind of make it just really feel bright and fun and colorful, but then also sort of follow the vibe of Baskin Robbins. And then when you get into this house, you can see they have made like a cute little version of the restaurant itself, and then they also have all the items that you can add as designs if you want to add them to your game. You can look at them here so you know what they look like, and then later when you go to the little sign that's in front of where the bed is, you can choose which of those My Designs you want to copy to your account so that you can use them anytime you like. So it just was really fun to get to walk around and see everything. And I thought they had done a really good job. I had no idea they were going to go to this much effort to put all these things in here. They have so many different versions of like uniforms and hats, and I was really surprised by how many they had of that. Different styles. I don't know if they're accurate representations of previous uniforms in Japan or not, but I do know that they did have quite a few. And then they had all the different decorations everywhere and things that were kind of just, made to look really cool. I thought they did a really, really good job with everything. Even the umbrella there has the caramel ribbon design on it. So these are some of the pro designs that are available. You can see how many there were. So many to choose from. It was really hard for me to pick my favorites, but I chose just a handful of the uniforms and the hats, and then I also tried to pick my favorite ice creams that I could get as well. And it just was a really impressive collaboration, and it goes along really well with all the stuff that they had. They have in the game in here the actual ice cream that they have on promotion right now at the store, so that was really cool. And when I got home, I made my own little uniform, and looks like I'm holding ice cream there. So that was a really fun experience. I thought they did a really good job. And I really enjoyed playing that collaboration for sure. Thanks you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye.